Hello folks, how are you doing today? I am Dr. Jack Williamson, and through this platform we will discuss the most essential thing in your life, your sexual health. 36-hour erection pill, weekend tablet, Tadalafil tablet, generic Cialis and Actilis 20 mg are the names of the medicine we are going to discuss today. Through this discussion, you will know what the use of this medicine is, how to use it, and what and how it treats. Without further ado, let's start. What is Actilis 20 mg? Actilis is a medicine that is used for the treatment of the most common sexual disorder in men called erectile dysfunction. It is a brand with a 20 mg dosage, and it is also available in other dosages. Actilis is manufactured and marketed by Actilis Pharmaceutical Private Limited, an India-based pharmaceutical manufacturing company that has its own product line and also offers contract manufacturing, third-party manufacturing, private and white labeling, and other manufacturing related services. Actilis 20 mg has 20 mg of Tadalafil as the core element, which is a PDE5 inhibitor. Tadalafil has the power that lasts for 36 hours, and that is why it is called a 36-hour erection pill and weekend tablet. Because Actilis 20 mg has Tadalafil, it is called a Tadalafil tablet, and Cialis as a brand, it can be called generic Cialis as well. What are the uses of Actilis 20 mg? Actilis 20 mg dosage is mostly used in erectile dysfunction, but it is also used in benign prostate hyperplasia, pulmonary arterial hypertension, or as we call it, high blood pressure. There are many people who use Tadalafil for bodybuilding too, but it has to be done under the strict guidance of your health provider. We have made a separate video on Tadalafil use for bodybuilding. Watch it after finishing this video for more information. How to use Actilis 20 mg? There are very few simple steps. Following them, you can use Actilis 20 mg correctly. Act according to the prescription, which generally would guide you to take the medicine every day at a fixed time or whenever you are going to have sex. The health provider will suggest you after assessing your ED condition. Gulp it with water without breaking it in any ways. Take it 30 minutes before having sex and on an empty stomach for better results. But that doesn't mean it cannot be taken with food. If you are suggested Actilis 20 mg for BPH or PAH, following the prescriptions rigorously is the way to safely use this medicine. Follow all the precautions and warnings for medicine to work correctly for you, but the most important thing, you have to be sexually stimulated. How does Actilis 20 mg work? Actilis 20 mg is mostly used for erectile dysfunction, so we will talk about how it works in ED. PDE5 enzyme that gets produced in the body will weaken, narrow and congest the arteries and muscles of the penis and stops enough blood flow, which is the primary condition for erection. Actilis, with the power of Tadalafil, strengthens, widens and calm down the arteries and muscles of the penis and allow an ample amount of blood flow for a firm and extended erection that creates a situation for satisfactory intercourse. What are the side effects of Actilis 20 mg? Headache, vomiting, nausea, indigestion, dizziness, increased heartbeat, increased breast size, vision blur, hearing loss, and priapism, among others. These are some of the side effects that might occur while using Actilis 20 mg. Ask for the full list from your health provider, and if any side effects persist for long, rush to your health provider for further treatment. Precautions and warnings attached to Actilis 20 mg. Never change your prescription without talking with your health provider, and take medicine as suggested only. If you are allergic to Tadalafil, inform your health provider. If you have any severe diseases, discuss it with your health provider. If you have gone through any surgeries or about to go through, talk with your health provider. Your health provider must know which other drugs you are on. Don't consume alcohol or grapefruit with this medicine. Do not drive or operate heavy machines if you are feeling dizziness. Male under the age of 18 should not be using this medicine. Store it in a cool and dry place away from sunlight, moisture, children and animals. Don't use expired medicine and dispose it according to the norms. These are some of the precautions and warnings that need to be taken care of while using Actilis. I hope this information related to Actilis 20 mg will be helpful for you. Use it while using this medicine, and it might increase its efficacy. Friends, the information shared here is for knowledge and it is not authorized medical advice. And remember, we are not promoting any medicine or treatment here. We are just sharing some information. So you must consult your doctor before using any medicine or starting any treatment. So that is it for now. I will see you in some other video on another topic. Until then, if you have liked the video, appreciate our efforts by subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and comment. Let us know what you feel about the video. You can also suggest what topic we should make a video on. Do not forget to share it with your family and friends and let them know about Actilis 20 mg. Happy lovemaking.